a Laotian camp near the North Vietnam border, scene of the biggest government victory against the communists in 5 years. The troops are not regular Laotian soldiers, but members of the secret army, a 35,000-strong force of Mao tribesmen trained and financed by the CIA. The leader of the secret army is General Vang Pao, a 40-year-old Mao and former sergeant in the French army. He's rated the best and most honest general in the country.
Are we going to see some recaptured weapons?
I want to show you about enemy stock and enemy truck and anything like in here, you know. Enemy must have in the valley and there.
And it's North Vietnamese here. It's not local Pathet Lao.
No,
it's
black
North
men.
Vietnamese.
Pure black men. Yeah.
Vang Pao took me on a quick tour of the area he's just recaptured, part of the vital plain of Jars which controls all the roads in Laos. The North Vietnamese hid small petrol dumps all over the plain. Vang Pao claims he's captured £25 million worth of supplies in the past 3 months. The enemy have taken to the hills. Vang Pao denies this success was due to Americans.
No enemy. Yeah.
This firing we're hearing is this your people firing into the valleys, this firing we're hearing now?
Enemy fires some, and we fire some.
Yeah. But normally they attack at night?
Enemy attack all night time, not daytime.
When Americans come here, they always say you win because of you've got a lot of American support. Is that fair?
Have many newspapers said, have much troop American support in here. May not true, don't have. This I like too much to take you to come to see in the front direct, as you can see anywhere open, you know. Have not say. Have all the other troop.
No,
how you see American troop today?
No,
and here?
I haven't seen any American.
Yeah, like this, you know. And I like to show you, so everybody come. I like too much to show him. We fight by ourselves, Laotian fight.
You fight?
No have American, no have Thai, no have anything come here.
The recaptured area bears all the marks of a softening up job by the American Air Force. Craters as big as this were made by American jets. But a North Vietnamese battalion headquarters dug into the rock shows how difficult it is to spot infantry from the air.
General, what's this here?
This hole here and young man headquarters.
This is what is this, a bunker going all the way underneath this rock?
Yeah, go here and over and there. Have big
all the way
there,
through,
yeah.
all the way through.
All these here, have
and they
big
get
hole,
and they get down by this rope here. If you fling this rope down,
they get down by this man here, you know, like this. And
how many could this hole hold? How many people could get down there? Do you think?
Maybe 500 men can do.
Really, right the way down?
Oh, very big.
And could they be bombed out of this, or would it be very secure? Could they resist?
Very secure because
bomb.
nobody know, you know, about have the hole in here. You in the air, you looking and like nothing, you know. May you come here in the ground, you see, very small hole. Nobody know, you know. Very difficult to buy.
Vang Pao certainly has zest for a fight, unlike most Laotian generals. He's bitterly anti-communist and apt to shake a fist at the North Vietnamese over the hill.
What do you think the North Vietnamese want here? What do they want?
They want to take and merge Lao country, and after they want to go to Thailand.
What sort of war is this? Is it just guerrilla war here?
Go here now and government made big war in here. After you see in all the material in here, you know, and all the material I got here about 2 months ago.
This is a big war.
This is not small war, you know. Have tank, have artillery, 37 AA, 12.7, 14.45.
These are all the big weapons.
85, yeah, and 120, and the rocket 122, you know, all. Not easy, this, you know. Big war in the mat and Laos.
But Vang Pao's army will not decide the future of Laos. That will be decided by the North Vietnamese. If they should step up the Laos war, then America will be left with only 2 choices. To involve herself ever more deeply in another Southeast Asian war, or to stand aside while North Vietnam takes over Laos. If the domino theory is right, that will only be the beginning.